Check out some sea lives.
Mr. Luton sleeping. He's sleeping over here. This is Amber. Lion. Loyal. And Mario. Over here at Sea Life in Dallas. It's our first spot here since we arrived in Dallas like 30 minutes ago. Look at all these fish! These guys are so fat. Cars on the floor. Oh my goodness! Watch out. Oh, look up top too. There's like a projector with the fish up top. Oh, so this is the red belly yellowtail fussler.
What is that thing?
I think that's a stingray shark.
A stingray shark. Yeah, that looks about right. Stingray shark. There's a stingray right there.
It's a swim flower.
Yeah.
Hello.
His mouth is at the bottom of his body.
Wait, that's the bottom?
And you see that fast tuna? That big tuna?
Pick this one. And okay, so it's got a yellow stingray.
Ooh. Look at that one. Look at that guy.
Oh, that one is a sergeant major.
Right there.
Sergeant Major.
Yeah, sergeant major.
What about that one with the big forehead?
Yeah.
What's the one with the big forehead?
Hard to tell right here. Big forehead. What color is it? It might be the rooster hogfish. Yeah, rooster hogfish.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like. The big forehead. The hogfish.
One looks like with the kind of looking like the striker and the stingray. What's that? I want to know which one that is.
It's spotted. This one?
Blue spotted. Blue.
No, it looks like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
That
okay.
guy's huge. That guy's huge.
Oh, that's the epaulette shark.
Oh,
Does that look right? That's the same one? Epaulette shark?
that makes sense. Oh, I don't know what it is.
Or it's the Japanese bull shark. Maybe it's this one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that looks like it.
One of them.
Japanese bullhead shark. Okay. Next spot. Yeah, we're pretty sure we conclude this is a Japanese bullhead shark. But I'm gonna investigate it later.
Yellowtail tuna.
Oh,
there he is.
oh, very cool.
Yeah, so when the fish are bunched up together like that, that's called a school of fish. That's a school
Oh,
of
look
fish.
at that.
What is
Hey,
it?
how do we get it?
What?
Whole bunch of fish together.
Oh, what is that fish?
Loyal. Look at the camera. Here. Can you? Are you okay with it? I'm gonna climb through the kitchen.
Whoa. Come on, Lola, look. Here? Right here. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this.
So step one, weigh your turtle, place it on the scale. Be sure to give your turtle a name once you selected it.
All right, you can pick a turtle.
Pick any turtle.
I'm gonna pick this one.
And we're gonna place our turtle where it says put your turtle here.
I want to name my turtle.
You can put the turtle up here to weigh it. Like this.
Right up here. Let's see. Right there, right there. Well, that one's lions. Let's see.
Gotta get the turtle.
Yeah. I'm ready.
We got a green sea turtle.
Is your turtle a boy or a girl?
Wait.
Squirt.
It's a boy. Let's name him. Squirt, Junior, Sheldon, George, Flip.
Your turtle weighs 152 pounds.
Pickle.
Wow.
Choose a name.
And step two, we're gonna X-ray it. So you can place them up on. Please go on the inside. Put them on the inside. Now let's see.
Choose a different one.
This is mine. Woo!
Hmm.
Is he facing the right way? Yeah.
Okay, maybe this one. Oh, well, this is working. Hope is ready for a release. Okay, cool. Hold on. So next, we're gonna feed and water the turtle. Okay, yeah, we just need one.
Here you go. Lime, you want it?
Place your turtle's head in the tube. Follow the instructions.
Put his head in there.
Let's see.
Here, scoot back a little. Oh, right there. So we can all see it.
Okay,
Hope
that's
is
it.
ready for release and
So
tracking.
he got some water and he's fed. Now he's ready to be released. Grab your turtle.
If you come stand right here, you can see it in the water.
You look so
Wow.
I saw those little fishes over there. So, and it was like a one like this small. This.
At least stay in the wagon.
What is that fish? Wait there.
There.
Yeah. I see another one.
A bone.
Where'd you say you saw it? Whoa.
Wait, dude, wait, is that the story?
Big skinny bed. Let's go back. Touch shark.
Very cool.
Oh,
the starfish.
Put your finger in.
Yeah.
The only thing you don't touch is the slipper lobster, so she just shut off her
You want to touch the starfish? You can touch it. This is your one time to do it. Go ahead.
Go touch him.
It's cold.
Mm-hmm. Be gentle.
Oil, you
about
want to
it.
touch the starfish?
Yeah. Whoa. It's meowing. It's meowing.
Wait, what did you say not to touch?
Oh, it's over here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, look, oh, look, there's a ooze. What is that? There's an ooze?
Where?
Oh, wait, no, I didn't hear it. What's that? How does I do that? That thing, that feels.
More touches in. You have 5.
Oh, wait, hold on, boys.
I have one in the window right here.
Oh, look, right here.
2. 1.
Touched it, Molly.
Happy guys watching.